Ramogi TV, Homa Bay.
Tende kaunti masea osingonia ithuolo mar jumbe adek mabiro jogo matie sekta mar thieth e bwo chenro mar universal health coverage idhi jiwnegi orak margi. Gavana masea James Orengo kone e riwruok mar Gavanas oseketo winjruok gi migawo mar thieth ni ratiro mag jotije 175 e chenro mag UHC idhi medo orak madhi ringo kuom thuolo mar higni adek. Orengo kone ng'ikruok e chenro mag winjruok kod sirikal ema ne okelo digni kendo sani koro geno nitie ni idhi winj ywakgi.
I can't get healthcare services. Now that the contract ended on May, my NHI, all of us, our NHIF is not functional. And you are the one giving that services. It's just paying. And we have bills to clear, sir.
We got authority from the national government to give you contracts for 3 years. And those contracts are going to be executed by the board on behalf of the national government. If there are any pending payments in terms of salaries, as you say, you don't have any allowances, that will be met by the national government.
Our able governor has promised us that he will give us the first considerations whenever there is any recruitments for permanent and pensionable terms of service opportunities, and that he is going to ensure that we are served with our renewal of contracts latest on Thursday this week in his office.